It's the YNTK Insurance Agency.
Hello, welcome everyone to You Need to Know with the Deanna Dudley Agency. Mm-hmm. How are you today, and how are you ladies doing today?
We're doing great.
Great, yeah. Awesome.
Amazing.
How are you? I'm doing great. So what are we going to talk about today, Deanna?
I'm glad you asked. We are going to talk about policy renewals, a couple of tips and strategies about your policies, whether it's your home, auto, commercial, once that policy is getting ready to renew. So that's what we'll be talking about today.
Nice.
Okay.
Well, hey, I can go ahead and take the lead.
All right.
Yes, we can talk about that you need to know not all of your policies are going to automatically renew.
Right.
So you need to know that, right? You need to be speaking with your broker or your agent so they can keep you aware of when the expiration date is going to come.
Right.
You don't want to miss it. You want to be aware of, all the changes or any changes that may be happening, whether that be with your coverage, your premiums, discounts, all the above, right? And you want to know that before your premium is going to renew.
Absolutely.
Right?
Definitely. Yes. So the best time to consider any changes is at your renewal, and at least 60 days before that would be great. It will give you time enough to renew your new premium, any policy information, like your address or anything like that, and anything else that needs your attention. 60 days also gives you enough time to shop around for the best rate. You also want to ensure that you are giving the correct renewal date, because if not, then you can run a chance of a lapse, and you definitely don't want that. That's just going to cause you more issues. And also, waiting can also cause you to get into a policy that you don't fully understand or that you don't fully want, that you don't want. So the best thing to do is just give yourself time enough to look over everything and just know that, hey, I have 60 days to kind of look over this just in case, because life does happen. Right. So it'll give you time to kind of look everything over and make the best decisions for your budget.
That's right. Absolutely.
And some carriers renew 60 days and some carriers renew at 45.
Oh,
Correct.
nice.
Okay. So that's good to know.
Mm-hmm.
Good to know. And also bear in mind that some carriers will automatically renew your policy on a monthly basis. So not all policy renews. Say, for example, if you did a full pay in the previous policy term, it will not necessarily renew in that way. So bear in mind, read your renewal information. And if anything has changed with your payment frequency or your payment methods, you would certainly want to go into the system or contact your carrier or your broker and make that change before the new policy term begins. Because once it begins, however way it begins, whether it stays on the monthly or if you get a chance to get it on an annual pay, that is how it's going to stay for the duration of that policy term. So just please bear that in mind.
Right. Awesome. And this part's also important, is that when there are changes to your premium, it could be because of the result of maybe you had a defensive driver course. And those discounts may have fallen off because you've gotten into an accident in that previous policy period. And so things like that, any violations, maybe you sold your home and you're no longer a homeowner. Maybe you have teenage kids that are now on your policy, and that's going to cause that premium to increase. You will see that reflect on your new policy period, or your new policy term, your renewal. And so those are things that we want to take a look at, and you want to make sure that you're speaking to your broker like us to see if there's any other discounts that we can find that you may qualify for.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So there you have it. These are just a few tidbits, and hopefully these can help you out while you're considering your policy renewal in your next term. And the Deanna Dudley Agency, we are here to answer any questions that you have. So give us a call at any time, and we are here to assist.
Yeah, our phone number is 404-947-5010. You can reach us there. You can come by.
Only if you're sane.
Only if you are sane. Yes. or you can reach out reach out to us on our social media platform, or email us, and all that information's in our bio. We hope that this is helping you. We hope that this, you need to know series is helping you make better decisions when it comes to your insurance, because it is a big part of our budget. And so we hope that this helped.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Other than that, we're good to go.
Bye.
Love you all. Bye-bye.
It's the D and the Deadly Insurance Agency.